So Janae, nice to meet you.
You as well.
Yeah. Thanks for having us into your office / home for a little bit of a talk. We'll start out with FranNet itself. So can you tell us a little bit about FranNet and just a quick overview of how you help people?
Sure. So FranNet is an international franchise brokerage firm. We've been around in one form or another for over 35 years. So we've been in the business a very long time. And primarily our focus is to match our clients with the best franchise for them based on their interests, their work skills, their background, their financial investment level. So that's really our job, is we're matchmaking people and making sure they find the perfect business for them.
Yeah, the franchise network.
Exactly. That's
right?
how that works.
And,
exactly.
and what's your role?
Well, I am the Chief Financial Officer as well as the Vice President over administration, which means I handle all the money as well as legal, HR, some IT. Probably the best part of our job, and our consultants will tell you this all the time, is just when you make that connection and people come back to you or they send their friends and family back to you, these repeat customers over the years. It's really nice when you're out driving around, you go, oh, I know that one, or I recognize this one, and it's pretty cool. I went with Business Central because one, I had used Great Plains for many, many years, and just the sheer volume of extensions and applications that are available for free is just amazing, and it's not terribly difficult to implement. That was a huge one for us, and I think, for us, I didn't want to wait till the last minute and do a hurried switch. I am very tech forward. Our company, that's one of our company core values, is to be very forward facing and tech savvy. My whole thing with leveraging technology is so that people at the C-suite level can really focus on more of the people interaction and that relationship building, and not so much on, moving things from A to B to C. For us, I didn't feel that for the money we could find a better vendor that could help us along that tech journey. So there's other vendors out there, but I just didn't feel as comfortable with where they were integration-wise and technology-wise. Before we worked with TrinSoft, we had made the transition from Great Plains into Business Central. It was with a totally different vendor. It was a little rough. We were able to connect with John and Robin, and they completely dug us out of the hole we were in. We were able to get trial balances that balanced, bank reconciliations done. It was just really challenging. Our consultant left the day we went live, and we just had a lot of very fundamental issues to get worked out. And I can't say enough about the lift they did to get us where we were, and then 3 months later to being able to have our audit done. So that was just a huge win, and I'm just eternally grateful for their time and expertise. It really made a difference. Because we're a franchise ourselves, we're required to file what's known as a franchise disclosure document, or an FDD, and as part of that requirement, we have to have a financial audit done every year. So normally, not a big deal. CPA have done, well, maybe not hundreds, quite a few of these over my lifetimes, and typically it's kind of just a non-event, but boy, when you don't have the basics of your system ready to go, it sure is challenging. So but this year's audit went much, much better. What I did, I took what I liked about the current setup in Great Plains, and we really tweaked and modified that to make sure that it would serve us going into Business Central. We knew that we were going to have a lot more flexibility and opportunities for tech, and so I wanted to be sure that all of our dimensions and files were set up in order to really make that as seamless as possible. So the global dimensions were a huge win for us that we were able to customize. A lot of the reports we've tweaked over the last few months to really become useful to us, and that's just been a huge win. I mean, my report writing takes me 10 minutes a month. I mean, it's just nothing. So that's a huge time savings for us. Training new staff on it has been a huge win. to me, Business Central is much more intuitive. If you're familiar with any type of Windows-based software, 9 times out of 10 you can figure it out or get very close. Before, I felt like Great Plains, you really had to understand. It was just maybe not as intuitive or a lot harder to find what you're looking for. The ability to attach documents, to journal entries, to purchase invoices, to sales invoices. When we, have an audit, it's really easy. We just pull everything up and there's all the documentation we need. So it's been a real win from the audit standpoint, as well as if there's ever any question about why something was done or how something was billed, that documentation is just right there in the system. So it's a big time saver as well. We twice a year have a large meeting offsite, and it is where our customers, franchisees, and franchisors all come together. Everyone is in one place for 2.5 days. It's your chance to kind of pitch your concept. We have a lot of informal networking events, all of that kind of thing, but it's a big deal. And so we needed a solution that would allow our franchisors to register their brands, because a lot of times they might have multiple brands that come, and then book time on consultant schedules, and then manage the payment for all of this. And so we, working with a company called Swoogo, and they integrate with Stripe. So that's kind of how the Stripe payments come through. And then we have an upload, and it posts to Business Central, and then relieves the AR, records cash, all of that kind of, mundane stuff. But it really is a huge time saver for us, because otherwise we were manually keying in sales invoices, keying in payments, sending out receipts, putting together this enormous schedule. It was previously done on a very old Cold Fusion platform.
Yeah.
So and it
I
was
remember
on
Cold
its.
Fusion.
Yeah, you remember Cold Fusion?
Yes,
We
I do.
still have a couple things on that, believe it or not, but we're slowly moving off of that, which is another reason why moving to Business Central is a huge win for us, because we can start to interface and talk to these systems now. So
lots of integrations and
lots
that sort
of integration.
of thing.
Yeah. I was so impressed with the fact that the president of your company rolled up his sleeves and spent hours, on the phone with us trying to figure out, one, what happened, and two, how to fix it. I don't know of too many companies where you can get that kind of attention. Robin was just dedicated to us every step of the way. Since then, we've, expanded out, and Sebastian and others help us with that. I'm always looking to automate. I'm a huge believer in leveraging technology, and so I'm constantly nudging people, say, what about this? What about that? I felt like I was a priority. And, that's hard, because I know you've got, I don't know how many clients, but I know that if my world is on fire, I can send an urgent, support ticket, and somebody's going to call me back. I totally appreciate that kind of support, and you don't often find that in this day and age. Plus, it's just a really great bunch of people, good, down to earth folks that are not afraid to roll up their sleeves and get their hands dirty. So how appreciative I am, and FranNet as a whole has been, to the support that TrinSoft has given us from top to bottom. So it really means a lot. So
That's awesome.
I appreciate that.